Okay guys, so you're welcome back to today's video. So you're welcome back to Editorial and Amy's family. Okay guys, so hold on. So yeah. Okay guys, so today I told you some days ago that I was going to go through Beverly's old newborn clothes. Not that they are old, but of course she overpassed it. She overgrown it as at that time. Yeah, so I had to wash them, pack them and keep them in this bag. Okay, so since we're actually like buying newborn clothes for the new baby coming, so I thought it wise to just go back to the I thought it wise to just go back to the old baby, newborn baby for that of Beverly. Come my darling, stay like this. We don't even need you anyway, so you can go by. So these are it anyways. Let's not waste your time. Okay, so this is actually the clothes that Beverly wore
the first day she was born.
Yay!
That's the same clothes that this baby should wear the first day.
No. No, that's not the same clothes. So
as Beverly was inside this clothes, it was big for her.
As at that time, but yeah, but now it's small for her. Very tiny, yeah. If you want to talk, speak out loud so that we can hear you, okay? Okay, so these are the clothes. Yeah, these are the clothes. Yes. And
look at this Beverly's red pantyhose.
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
Any dress she wears with it to match.
Yes. We had this Macintosh that we actually, I don't know if we did not use this. I don't know why. Since I gave birth to Bev, since I gave
Auntie, what's Macintosh?
Macintosh, this is called Macintosh. That's how they call it.
You used to Macintosh?
No, that's how they call it. You guys ask them. I don't know. You guys should answer her because me, I don't know. So since I gave birth to Beverly in General Hospital, they gave us Macintosh. So, but now people don't actually use Macintosh. They use other stuff, other modernized things. Yeah. So let's be showing you them. Some beautiful clothes, like this particular one. Yeah.
This clothes that used to fit very well.
Yeah. Plus this one used to be so beautiful on her.
That's one. These clothes. I remember when mommy used to buy Beverly. Beverly became she would tell her to
W, that's keep quiet, don't cry, keep quiet. So she still have some of these shorts. Very like I'm so happy that this clothes are still very
best blue.
Yay! I'm so happy. All of these clothes are still very
Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful.
So I'm not a kind inside.
I don't think I'm actually gonna be using a haul anyways. Like this one looks thin. The neck, just the neck.
Rainbow color.
Yay! I love this rainbow clothes. When Baby was wearing it. Baby, come. Yeah, sit here.
Is this one I used to go and bring all the time?
Yeah. Anytime we paint Beverly, this is the clothes that Elizabeth will go and bring all the time. As if there's no other. As if there's no other clothes. Let me show them. As if there's no other clothes. This rainbow color. Take this. What?
And this one.
I should give you your thing. It's not your thing anymore. It's your sister's thing. Yeah.
Banana dress.
Yes, you remember them. Look at this one. My mom rocks. You remember them? The clothes are still very, very neat. How much?
See.
Wow.
And who put this one there?
I was the one that put it on.
So it was 3, sir.
Yes, I think so. Look at this one. They're still very, very good. Honestly, it's very important to keep things safe. It's very important. Look at this one. You can remember when I wore Beverly this clothes, and that day I was actually making video. After the video, I slept off and the fan was on. The next day, Beverly had kata. I can't remember. I can't forget it. Yeah. Look at this. So beautiful.
Fancy was 10.
Yeah.
Oh, see this one. See it.
And it smells good too.
See it's a flower short.
Yeah.
What's not?
Body con.
Yeah, that one.
Wow. All of these clothes are still very sharp. Like I'm surprised that they are still very sharp. Yeah. This clothes, I don't think we even wore Beverly's clothes though. You know, but because of the leg was usually very tight.
You want this one?
No, no.
She wear this one?
Yes, we used to wear them.
She can still wear this one, but we will not button.
I remember when I wore her this one and I made a video with it, a short video with it.
Just too cute.
Yeah. So basically that's it.
Beverly's packing up too.
Yeah, all the old ones. So we're still going to be wearing the new baby.
Is it time for this one?
No.
Oh, I'm not doing this.
We'll just fold it and pack it back. Anyway, this girl is not even allowing you guys see what I'm carrying. You know, keep this your head on. Guys, those are the clothes. If I shift back, she'll shift back. If I shift front, you shift front. Don't go and fall there. Those are the clothes that we actually use in Beverly's time, and we're definitely going to be using them again because they are still very neat and still very okay. So we thought it wise to actually just show you guys. You know, now you guys are family. Although we've bought new set of clothes, those new ones, where are they? Okay, yeah, don't worry. We bought new set of clothes, which we actually want to go and wash. Give me. So those are it, guys. We're actually folding them back and putting them where we took them from. It's very, very good to keep things. I wish I didn't keep them. I wouldn't have seen them this clean, you know. I kept them, you know, very safe. And I'm happy that they're still very neat.
So guys, happy Sunday.
That's Joe. You guys have not seen Joe for a long time. It's because Joe has actually gotten. Joe is learning he's learning a business. He's learning a trade. You know now, if Igbo people, they love to learn trade before they go into.
Is it electric?
What? Electric. Joe is learning a trade.
So I've been quite busy lately. I give you no. First, that's my baby girl.
I see that.
Give me those clothes now before I won't give.
Go. Time to go.
Okay, oh, thank you. You're welcome.
Beverly, bye.
Say bye. Chichi. It's his uncle that calls her Chichi. Chichi.
But this one is fat.
Okay guys, so since we've actually shown you some of the old clothes that Beverly wore when she was a newborn. That is milk. It's milk. Oh yeah, look at it. It's milk. Go and turn this milk. Bring small cup. You're gonna throw away all the milk. Look at how Beverly does so. Look at, they are seeing you. They are watching. Are you guys not watching? Look at her. Let me remove my leg. See her. See her. They are seeing you. Stand up now. Well, give it to, bring it. Oh yeah, take your thing, me. Take. Where's the spoon?
Sure.
I take. Take, Beverly. Yay! Oh yeah. Put in my mouth. Put in my mouth. Sweet. Sweet. Okay guys, so since we've actually shown you some of the old Beverly's newborn clothes, we actually bought some. We have bought new clothes. We've received new clothes as gifts, and we thought it wise to just buy more and just add, okay, for the newborn, definitely. So this is not.
You buy wardrobe for this new baby because Beverly clothes are full out of wardrobe.
I will remove those other big ones. So this is it. They are very beautiful clothes. I wish that you can see how beautiful they look. You like this one more? In fact, it's Mommy T, my neighbor, that actually went to the market for me. Oh my god, I'm so loved. I feel so loved.
She knows the size of the baby.
Newborn. Is she not a mother? She was the one that went to the market. So beautiful. Shadows. I don't know if you can actually see the color of the cloth. And she keeps shift the camera close by. So this one is white. This one is blue.
So it's white and dark blue.
Oh my god, I love this. Beverly, you. This one is white and star blue. Star girl.
I don't know this color.
This is sky blue.
And black and white.
Yes. It's so beautiful.
White, green, yellow, blue, orange.
Yeah, this one is basically rainbow color.
This one is brown and blue.
Yeah. And then bring that pink one.
And this one.
Yep. And then still
This
this
one
pink.
is dark blue and pink.
Yep. And that's one. Yay! So those are it, guys. Yeah, Beverly has a whole lot of clothes. So my beautiful baby girl, she's gonna have in fact, the new clothings, like bring those new ones. Those ones are basically new ones that we bought. I received as gifts. Like the new.
This one joined the old clothes.
Yeah, this one I was one that bought this one. Yeah.
Beverly have that of clothes.
Okay guys, so sorry for that interruption. Beverly scared the living daylight out of me. She fell from this bed. Like, this is actually the very first time Beverly is falling from this bed, because she used to be very careful, but today she's just so playful and she forgot herself and fell. See how I was shouting? So these are new clothes for Beverly, like lots of new clothes.
I like this color.
You love it, right? Lots of new clothes.
With this one size me, baby. This.
Like, guys, for this particular baby, she has actually received a whole lot of gifts even before she's born, more than Beverly, because in Beverly's time, I don't know why, maybe I thought that people were not going to be interested in giving me gifts, so I was not like too open to receiving gifts, you know, unlike now that I am open to receiving gifts. Yeah, so keep sending your gift to the new baby, and I want to make another video where I'm gonna be, anyway, till that particular video. Elizabeth is just looking at this clothes as if she should wear them. You want to turn to baby again,
Is
but
that blue one?
which one?
That one.
This one. Oh yeah, take. Wear it now.
You don't even size with
What? Oh, wear it now. Have you like it? So wear it. Have you?
It's for ballet.
It's for ballet. Have you?
Baby will just sing like this.
Anyway, so those are it, guys, and I'm super duper happy that baby has slept after the fall. Don't let them see. She really fell. I was so scared. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and for this one, let's go wash them. Okay.